DJI claims that the Action 5 Pro camera together with the new battery can give you up to 240 minutes of recording in one single charge. I've done my own test against that claim and I found that the number is not entirely accurate. So what's the real value to that number? Let's find out in this video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to NN Gadgets. DJI has claimed the 240 minutes from this Action 5 Pro camera and the new battery. And in this video, I'm going to review the result of my personal test against that claim. From the DJI website, the following are the conditions to get that 240 minutes. It has to be 1080p 24 frame. The rock steady is on, but the Wi-Fi and the screen are both off in room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. In my test, I just set the action camera down on my table at around room temperature of 25 to 26 degrees Celsius. There's no fan or air conditioning on in the room. I also turned on the rock steady, turned off the Wi-Fi, but I left the screen on the new mode where it will show the counter clock on the screen instead of the live view. So theoretically, my test should consume more battery power than what they did because they turned the screen completely off as stated on their website. I split this test into two parts. The first part is purely to test against the claim of 240 minutes, and in the part 2 of the test, I push it a few steps further by testing the different frame size and frame rates. Also testing the new battery against the old one. I spent numerous hours across a few days to do this test. And between every test run, I make sure that the camera and the batteries are both cooled down before I charge the battery back into full power. So if you appreciate my time spent on the result in this video, do click on the like button and share. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for all things camera, drone and gadgets, and click on the bell button for future notification. And with that aside, let's get on to the result. So the result of the first part of the test to challenge against the claim by DJI of 240 minutes. At the earlier part of the video, I mentioned that the number wasn't entirely accurate. In this case, the DJI over-delivered on its claims because I ran 3 tests and all 3 tests bring me up to 259 minutes running at 1080p 24 frames per second. So DJI was humble in this case. They under-promised and over-delivered on their claims. Even the old battery runs an impressive 260 minutes in this case. So the second part of the test across the various frame sizes and frame rates. The most demanding of them are 4K 120 frames per second. The new battery gives 97 minutes and the old battery gives 85 minutes. Across all these tests, there were no overheating or no stoppage of recording due to overheating. For those who are still holding on to the old battery from Action 3 to Action 4, the good news is you can use it on Action 5 and also expecting quite impressive time out of the old batteries. So unless there's a good reason, you shouldn't be in a hurry to get those new batteries. The old batteries are working fine as it is. So that's all for my test result today in this video. Again, if you appreciate my time spent on this video, do click on the like button and share. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for all things camera, drones and gadgets, and click on the bell button for future notification. And I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!